Hello everyone, this is Robert with Mulholland, and we're in the city of Woodland Hills, and here we bring to you our new Targa style pergola. We'll go ahead and show you guys how it works. I have my my beautiful assistant here, Anderson. So on this pergola you have the option of keeping it fully closed, or you can have it like a convertible and just open halfway. You see it glides nice and smooth. This is our GR11 color. And everything is powder coated aluminum. And there you have it, guys. Another beautiful project by Mulholland.